Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb over here at Walter Buick GMC. You ever normally get the issue you have too much stuff in the back, can't see out your rear window, and it conflicts with your rear view mirror? Well, in the Buick Envision Avenir, we have a rear view vision camera mirror, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's hop right in. Here we are. So using a camera system on the rear, and I'll show you where that's at. You can already see a car, driving behind us, but you're going to flip this switch. That takes you from your normal rear view mirror, just in case things are blocked or it's night, you don't want people blinding you. You're going to flip it up, and now you have your rear view vision camera. Now we're going to press this button to flip through the different options. So you have your left and right buttons to change the brightness of the display during the day or at night. Very convenient. And then you can actually change the magnification up to 3 times, going plus and minus, and you're able to see that over here. You click it one more time, this is the last option, and you're able to go up and down on the display, changing throughout the camera. Depending on where you like it, makes it convenient. Now, to move to the back to show you where that camera's at. And that camera is right back here. And you can see me kind of through there. Here I'm waving. And you even have your own rear view washer. There it is right there. So when you turn on your washers, especially for the rear, it's going to spray it with your washer fluid so that it's clean. Just in case, you get muddy, dusty, haven't been to the car wash in a minute, that sort of thing. But it looks amazing, great quality. Hope that was helpful. It's one of my many favorite features on these vehicles. But thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all soon.